can't dressed. I just got back from Clark Pacific. I'm dressed in. Give me just 4 seconds here.
Okay.
Something I gotta look better than this. This can't work. This won't be. Man, can't be up on a giant screen and looking like I just rolled out of a thing. In a few weeks, I can get a haircut. I got my second shot just on Friday.
Oh, excellent.
So
I get mine this month.
Karen's husband can't get his. He's in a different category. So are you going to ask me questions, or am I supposed to just sort of stream of consciousness, say nice things about Brad? And should I say nice things about Brad and the company?
Yeah, say nice things about Brad and the company. Okay. Do you want me to ask you questions if you can't understand me anyway?
I didn't know. No, I don't have a plan. Is there any way I can put a background in this scheme? I'd like to put a carapace project background. You know the ones I have, right?
That's hard without a green screen on this. Sorry, this just gives me better quality video, like the higher
quality,
but it doesn't give me than Zoom. But it doesn't give you a green screen capability.
Yeah, it just doesn't give me a chance to put right, all the pieces of some things that look like carapace. Gotta make it a little bit better background if we can. That looks carapace-y. I guess that'll do.
Okay.
Sorry. Okay.
All right. So why don't you tell me about why you nominated Brad as Partner of the Year? And I'm going to remove my.
So Brad Williams and Clark Pacific have been just tremendous in helping the USC School of Architecture and our students in learning about precast concrete. We've been doing this for quite some time. I think 6 or 7 years. I've been taking students out to the Clark Pacific plant in Fontana and the former plant in Irwindale, and soon we'll be going to Adelanto. And they've been setting up hands-on projects for the students, get their hands actually into ultra high performance concrete and GFRC. And Brad has done literally anything I have asked for. We have set up full-size wall panel fabrications. The big project, of course, is the Carapace Pavilion. We've now been going out almost 2 full years working on this project for the Shade Pavilion at Joshua Tree National Park. We've taken over a deck at the Clark Pacific Yard, and we've had it for 2 years. And he has assigned us upwards of 40 people who have participated from Clark Pacific in helping us with every aspect of the project. They give lectures to us at USC. They have students come out and they give lectures at the Clark Pacific facility pre-COVID. Well, we're not allowed to take students out there now, but soon we'll be able to go back again. So it's been a spectacular partnership. I almost feel like I belong at Clark Pacific, and our students relish the opportunity to actually get their hands on the material. I'll stop, and then you can maybe ask me some other questions. You can splice in. Am I missing an important topic?
No, I mean, we really only have like a minute. So, is there anything in particular about Brad's personality or Clark Pacific that you want to make sure we mention?
You know what I really like? Brad's great. What I'd really like to find a way to mention is he's embarrassed by this whole thing and thinks it's a team thing from Clark Pacific. And he's right? Brad just sort of points. There's a slew of names of people that would be great if I bet I can remember a bunch of them, maybe enough to sort of start the string and then say something like, we don't have time to list them all. If they would hear themselves in the video later, is that okay? Or
yeah,
I'll try to give me just a second to write down so I can look down and make sure I got them.
Yeah.
Roy Aguilar, Sal Cruz. I'm going to leave somebody out accidentally, of course, but It'll take just a second. I won't take long. I'm writing fast. Patrick.
It's okay too. And I can write a script that, mentions that, Brad led a team effort to be, to take on this partnership. I can make sure I include that.
Rick Hudnall. I'm going to forget somebody I know. And I'll just say the whole engineering team, because I can't list every name, right? So I'll give you 5 or 6.
Yeah, I got a minute. So
yeah, 5 or 6 of the most, and you clip it if you need. Yeah.
Okay. You can do this. No, now you froze. Great. Okay.
I don't mean to be frozen. When we go out to Clark Pacific, it is really just a fantastic opportunity. They have so many people that jump up to help us. Certainly, Brad Williams is in charge. He points and people jump. That's the advantage of leadership. But people like Roy Aguilar and Rick Hudnall have been there with us day to day. Sal Cruz, Sal and his brother Frank, helping us to extract panels. Papo is just the most amazing guy. He comes and does everything with us. Robin in the tool yard and Patrick in the wood shop. The whole team at Clark Pacific really makes an effort to help us out.
That was good. You want to do that again, or you like that one?
I can't tell what it was like, so I'm gonna. It sounds okay, I think.
Okay.
And if it, trim it if you have to, right? Just.
Yeah, I can do that.
And there are 10 more names. Right? Matt Wapshall is there, and but a few of them. I mean, Papo is with us just every day.
That's so nice. That's great.
We're killing them, I think. Clark Pacific might go bankrupt here, being all my fault, right? It's consumed way more resources and energy than we ever imagined.
Yeah.
It's also spectacular. So there's a balance, right? When we start dragging this thing down the road and installing it
awesome.
at Joshua Tree, that ought to be public relations enough for,
I can't wait to be there. I hope I'm there.
We're still, right around early summer. We cast a panel this Wednesday. This would be panel number 3.
Okay.
Panel number 2 looked like it might have been a problem, but the engineers are we're okay. And they're okay enough to allow us to cast panel 3. So, and panel 3 is a duplicate. So we've done this one before, highly likely get it to have a panel on Friday. And if things go well, we have a shot at the first roof panel next week. And there's only 2 of those.
Okay.
We're in assembly mode. So
good.
We're
all right.
it.
And anything else you want to say, or anything else about Brad?
Say anything? I think that's all I can think of right off. Sorry.
I'll probably take some things out of the packet you sent me, and I'll write a script to go along with this. And Ruth is gonna give me a sound bite. Oh, Roxy says hi. She came in. I don't know. Oh, you can't see her. She's right here.
If you find you need me to jump back on tonight and add a sentence where there's Doug, say this sentence, like Brad Williams is very deserving of the partnership, whatever it is, just pop me again tonight or tomorrow, whatever it is. I can always say one more word.
Okay, great. Well, thank you so much. Okay. I feel somebody talking to me here.
Still sweating, still got clay on my fingernails, but it doesn't show up on video.
Nope, you look great.
So,
I would have, if I was going to be honest, I have to change out of this pink color. This is like, so.
I haven't had the courage to go get a haircut. So I'm really, I keep tucking it in the back on video, trying to hide. It didn't quite work, but.
I haven't had a haircut in 1.5 years. So.
Yeah. I needed one. Yeah. The first week that COVID started was already, I needed one. And I didn't, and so now maybe.
I already hadn't had one in like 2 or 3 months, and then because I got a real short haircut and I didn't like it, and then, oh well.
Yeah, I sometimes get really short haircuts, so I don't have to go back because I just, but
Yeah.
Yeah.
All
Pleasure
right.
to see you.
Okay, good to see you. Talk to you later. Bye.
Okay, we'll talk to you again. Bye now.